screwing it up. So then we have our F panel, which I'm guessing this is like an update for Lian Li, and they made this extremely easy because this right here is what all those little wires are supposed to be. This is the front panel. F panel. So if Lian Li did this, they're legends. So that's all the front panel connectors. That's what confused me. Because of my first computer, bro, oh my God. That messed with me. But my friends, you do see, wait until that's, you see that, right? Look at the cable management. I cannot wait to turn this thing on. You don't even understand, dude. Like that's insane. It looks insane with nothing. Actually, I think we all want to see what it does. Here we go. Oh my God! Those fans are insane. What? That is insane, man. That's beautiful. That is beautiful, bro. That looks beautiful. That's supposed to happen. If that happens, by the way, to any of you, don't worry, that is supposed to happen. Well, my friends, the 3090 has arrived. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna go over to the Microsoft website and create a Windows 11 installation media. Hopefully your motherboard ended up coming with a USB drive. If you didn't get one with your USB drive, I'm sure they're like $5-10 up at Walmart. You are going to need a USB drive that has at least 8 gigabytes, and that is according to the actual setup. It's downloading it onto the actual USB drive right now, as you can see. Oh my goodness, what is that? Oh shit, literally, I didn't even choose it. It literally automatically chose it. However, I did check to make sure. That was easy. I did check to make sure that I did disable the XMP profile before doing this. I don't have product key. You can use Windows for free for now. Windows 11. I'm gonna use 11 Pro.
Yeah, and my initial impression was that this was an inflection point of confusion because